Good afternoon, one and all. This is Shruti Simhatri. I am going to deal a subject called web technologies. Today we will discuss about what are the terms we were used in web technologies. Here, first of all, we have to know the definition of web technology. It is the means by which computer communicate with other using markup language and multimedia packages. It gives us a way to interact with hosted information like websites. Here, web technology is a computer communication thing with each other using markup languages and multimedia packages. Here, which type of markup language we were used in web technologies? That is what the HTML. HTML means hypertext markup language. This was invented by Tim Berners-Lee in the year of 1980s. He was considering a root concept called ARPANET. The root of this HTML is the ARPANET. Here, ARPANET means Advanced Research Project, which is designed by Defense of US. That ARPANET was the root for this HTML. HTML means Hypertext Markup Language. It is a standard markup language for creating web pages and web applications. Here, web page is a collection of text, images, video, audio, and animated files. Means the multimedia was presented regarding a particular text in web pages. This collection of web pages becomes a website. To run these websites or web pages, we need a web browser. Here, web browser is a software that is going to fetch information from the web server, and it retrieves the data in multiple forms. Like whenever I am going to search for something in a search engine, it will display multiple content related to a particular search. It describes the structure of a web page syntactically and originally, including cues for the appearance of the document. Let us discuss what is hypertext. Hypertext is a text that is displayed on a computer with references to other text. Like whenever we are clicking on a particular hyperlink that is navigated to other document, the text over that link is called hypertext. In the next one, what is markup language? Markup language is a system for annotating a document in a way that is syntactically distinguishable from the text. Consider these two things here. Here I was written center. This center is a word means a middle. Whenever I was written this center in between anklets, we can call these as anklets. It becomes a tag. This tag is going to display the web page content in the middle of the document. That is what the difference between these two things. Now we can say this is a markup language, means it is a tag that is used for aligning your text at the middle of the web page, and this is just a word that represents middle. And the next one here is why HTML is a markup language. Hypertext means machine readable text. Markup means to structure it in a specific form. So HTML is called hypertext markup language because it is a language that allows and organize and improve the appearance of the links with data on the internet. All these are handled by the World Wide Web Consortium. It is a system of internet servers that support formatted documents. And now we will discuss about what is a web browser. A web browser is a system software application used to locate, retrieve, and display content on the World Wide Web, including web pages, images, video, and other files. As I already said, web page is a collection of images, audio, and other file formats. Whatever the web pages we are searching for, that should be displayed by a web browser. If we want to search for something, we need a web browser. As a client server model, the web browser is the client run on a computer or a mobile device that contacts the web server and requests information. We are having different types of web browsers. These are some example. These are of the some examples of these web browsers. First one is Internet Explorer. The logo for this Internet Explorer would be like this. And next one is Google Chrome. This is the famous one we are using now. Mozilla Firefox, Opera Mini, and the next one is UC browser. This UC browser is used in mobiles. Opera initially introduced for mobiles. Later on, we can use in systems also. Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer. These three were used either in mobiles or we can use in system too. And the next one is URL. What is URL? Uniform Resource Locator, also termed as a web address, is a reference to a web resource that specifies its location on a computer network and a mechanism for retrieving it. Here, URL is nothing but a web address or a thing that is used to locate text or to locate a web address. And then next one is a website. What is a website? Okay, so here website is a collection of web pages. We can simply say a set of related web pages located under a single domain is called website. And the next one is a search engine. As I said earlier, if you want to search for something, we need a search engine. Before that, we need a web browser. Okay, so after opting the web browser, you have to select a search engine. By using that search engine, we can search for something. Here, search engine is a program that searches for and identifies items in a database that corresponds to the search keywords or characters specified by the user. These are some of the famous search engines which we were having: Google, Bing, Yahoo, American Online. We can also call this as All, Baidu, Wolfram Alpha, DuckDuckGo, Internet Archive. So these are some of the search engines which we were used familiar. Among all these things, we were used a search engine called Google because it allows the user to search for a particular item in different file formats. And the next one is domain name. Instead of using IP addresses, now we are using domain name systems, the part of a network address which has belonging to a particular domain. Here, DNS means domain name system uses a unique string of numbers called IP addresses to make the connection. Example for this domain name is example.org. Here, example is a second level domain, means this is the name of a domain, and this is a generic top level domain, means the type of the domain. Okay, so here org represents organization. This example is a organizational type. Here, example is a domain name. This is related to an organization. These are some of the terminologies which we were used in web technologies. Thank you.